No, he ain't.
Like, I won. He didn't even know he won.
What'd you say? Who was it?
You won the Boss Magazine 2009 Ohio Hip Hop Award. Congratulations. Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy Dash Resource, aka Peanut. Capitalistclothing.com, man. Well, not .com yet, man. Come on, man. We ain't there yet, bro. We hand in hand with it still, you feel me? I like that feel of reaching out to the customers directly, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to open up to everybody. People hit me up saying, getting a hoodie is harder than trying to win one of them Nike raffles, man. I feel y'all, man. I'm going to open it up, man, but you feel me? I got to look out for people that show they genuine support first, man. You know what I mean? So salute to y'all, man. Before we get started, this is Sell Stocks Not Dope every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.-ish. I know y'all looking like, why am I looking like this? Why do I look like this? Because we about to talk about the Metaverse, man. We about to talk about the Metaverse. We're not going to do a full rundown of the Metaverse because, like I said, I'm putting together a full masterclass on how to monetize the Metaverse. And I promise you, stay watching to the end because I have a very good jewel for y'all that y'all can make money off of starting Monday, man, which is tomorrow, man. So let's give a shout out to the sponsors, man. You know what I mean? T-Shirt Kings 247.com, man. They got some stuff going on right now where, you know what I'm saying, you can start your own clothing line. You know what I'm saying? Hit them up, man. Make sure you guys hit him up, T-Shirt Kings 247.com, or hit my man Todd Smedley up, man. He had a real good deal, man. He gonna work with you, man. But we in the Metaverse, man. Know what I mean? Let's talk about the Metaverse. What is the Metaverse, right? The Metaverse, for people out there who don't understand the Metaverse, is a place where you can virtually go, right? A lot of y'all don't understand that yet, but just think of you getting inside of a video game, for like a lack of a better term, right? The reason why it's important is because, think about this. People pay money for ads. People pay money for, just like on Facebook right now, Facebook has turned its name into Metaverse. I mean, Facebook Meta is now Metaverse, right? You are already doing this. Right now, you guys are watching me from the Metaverse, right? I'm not sitting in the living room with you. I'm digitally talking to you right now, right? Everything that exists inside the Metaverse are things that are going to be mirrored to things that are already happening in the world. So if you are creative out there, you need to start thinking of things like that because there are going to be jobs. There are going to be people who work in the Metaverse. That makes no sense to you now, but think about how it didn't make sense for people to say, hey, like all the call center jobs are now at home, right? Some of the largest companies in the world have people at home doing tasks that they would normally do inside an office building, right? The same thing is going to happen with the Metaverse, right? So recently I saw a post by Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg said he already has his own version of the Metaverse ready to launch. He actually dropped a bunch of little screen shares from it. So other people are getting into it, right? And a lot of y'all are thinking, how can I make money off the Metaverse? A lot of people go for the easy, low-hanging fruit of Nft'S, right? Nft'S, non-fungible tokens. Let me try to break it down the easiest way possible, explaining what an NFT is inside the Metaverse, right? So NFT is, for instance, let's say I am inside the Metaverse, right? I'm inside the Metaverse right now, right? Now, let's say I had a podcast inside of the Metaverse, right? I'm inside the Metaverse, okay? Now, this microphone will be designed by Rode, right? So, you know what I'm saying? It's a Rode microphone. This will be an NFT. So instead of me using this one, I can purchase a gold one, or I can purchase a blue one, or I can purchase a red one. The same thing, right? Now, the reason why it'll be getting paid to Rode because they designed it. They created the NFT. It makes any sense? So, and let's say you want to get fresh inside the Metaverse, right? You got to get you some capitalist clothing. So this will be inside the Metaverse. You could buy a red one, a ruby red, a diamond black one, a ballin' blue one, or you can, you know what I'm saying? You hit me up and I can make you a brand new NFT. And I'll get paid off for every single one that I lease out to people that are wearing it. If you don't understand this concept, if you're having a hard time understanding this, go play the video game with one of your kids. You said, how does that make sense? Go play Roblox with your kids. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about the Metaverse. Your kids understand the Metaverse already. When they go play Roblox and they go pick one of their characters and they want to put clothes on their characters, they'll spend your V-Bucks or the Roblox or the Robux and they'll buy a Nike shirt. They'll buy horns. They'll buy book bags. They'll buy different perks that you can do inside of Roblox Metaverse, right? That is exactly what's going to happen. So you need to start thinking of how can you make money off of it. I'm putting together a whole masterclass on how to monetize the metaverse. You know what I mean? I'm not going to keep y'all long, but I want to show y'all the one stock that I know for sure, because they just published this, let's see, 5 hours ago, right? This stock is already a really good stock to begin with. This is a stock that people go to buy groceries. People buy clothes there. They do all these things. But guess what? They are also entering into the metaverse, man. This is a stock. The stock is Walmart, guys. Walmart quietly preparing to enter the metaverse. You know what I mean? I'm glad the autofocus is working inside the metaverse. You know what I mean? But let me give you a little bit of that, right? So a couple of the key points is Walmart appears to be venturing to the metaverse and plans to create its own cryptocurrency and collection of NFTs. What does that mean? That means that, let's say you go purchase a item inside Walmart, right? They may have a QR code that you can scan. Let's say you bought a table inside of Walmart. You may be able to scan it and then add it inside your metaverse house. That makes any sense? I mean, a lot of this don't seem like a lot of concepts that you got to get yet, but the more and more you like look at it and start to get more absorbed by it, you'll start to see, man, you end up in a digital world like me right now. Know what I mean? If you not understand metaverse, go play the game with your kids. They understand it already. I just talked to my little nephew, Will, and I broke it down to him. He said, "Uncle, that sounds super dope." And I'm like, "You're already doing it." You know what I mean? He's already playing that. Another thing is the big box retailer filed several new trademarks late last month that indicated its intent to make and sell virtual goods. So you're going to be able to buy things from a virtual Walmart, guys. But you know what you should be thinking about is that stock. Let's look at the price of Walmart stock right now. So we can archive this. Let's see. Walmart stock price. Let's see. Walmart is currently at 145.06. It closed down. It was down 28%. Or 0.28% on Friday. You know what I'm saying? So look for a big bounce coming Monday. So, you know, if you guys in that option trading, you might be want to look at, putting a few dollars on that. You know what I mean? But yeah, to me, Walmart is all going to be a nice long-term strategy. I see them getting upgraded from this 145 way higher than that, especially if they're venturing off into, you know, digital goods and creating their own cryptocurrency. And this should also give my crypto boys out there, you know what I'm saying, a lot of, sources knowing that these big box retailers are venturing off into this digital space, man. So that is good for the ecosystem. That's good for Bitcoin. That is good for all the little altcoins. You know what I mean? Shout out to the altcoins, man. So, man, this sales stock's not dope. We're here every Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m.-ish. Man, shout out to the sponsors, man. The illustrious T-Shirt King 247.com studio, man. Go for your mouth diamond deals right now. Camera King studio, come get your pictures taken, you know what I mean? Don't forget the Her event, February 12th. I'll be the host. I'm only one of the 3 male hosts for the all-female event. It's going to be amazing. Get your tickets from me or get it by somebody. Just get there, man. It's going to be dope. It'll be a great time. February 12th, man. That is Valentine's Day weekend, man. Shout out to the Legendary People podcast, man. We just did an interview with Daniel Stevens, man. It was a really dope conversation, man. One of the funniest podcasts we've ever done today. I'll definitely say that on record, man. Yeah, man, we got a lot of interviews coming up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the Legendary People podcast on YouTube and on Instagram. Yes, on Instagram. My Instagram been lit lately, man. You know what I mean? I've been showing love on there. They've been showing love back. I got 1,000 more subscribers, 1,000 more followers in 1 week, man. So, you know what I mean? At P-Dash is on there. Sell stock not dope. Every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.-ish. I love y'all. Let's see if we got anything on it, because I kind of got the thing messed up today. I don't know what I did. Here you go. It makes sense. Look at my baby boy. That's my mama. Hey, mama. Make sure y'all reshare this for somebody else. You know what I mean? If you are a business owner, you definitely want your clients or your people to be making more money because they can spend it with you. Love you, ma. Sell stock not dope.